I know for fact that school districts reach out to us and say they want to partner with this university because we have students who come out of our program ready to teach first day. We're one of the most high-tech educational learning centers for teachers in the nation. It was just a couple of years ago that our dean was invited to the White House to share what it is that we do here with our Edvolution programming and so forth. Our students spend more time in the field or in schools than any other that I know of. We have some schools that want our students, one of our students in every single one of their classrooms because they see what a value our students are bringing to their classrooms. Now is the perfect time to go into education. We have a teacher shortage all over the United States. Now schools are contacting us saying, who do you have? And how soon can we get them? It takes a special person to be a teacher. Teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. We need good teachers. We know how to create those good teachers.